Okay, second part is intersecting lines. Now there's two straight lines and meet at a point, which is x and y. So two straight lines intersect at a point x and y, and the point x and y can be found graphically or algebraically using simultaneous equations. So let's have a look at the example. So example says find the point of intersection. So the point of intersection, so we are looking at x and y here, okay? And between lines 2x minus 3y minus 3 equals 0 and 5x minus 2y minus 13 equals 0. So there is how we're going to solve this question is we got two unknowns, x and y, and we have two equations. We can do this question because it matches up, and we can do this simultaneous equations. So using simultaneous equations. If you're not really sure of how to set up using simultaneous equations solving this, you might want to actually have a look at what I've done and use the setting out this way, and then later on you can find your own way. But I think sometimes it's good to actually copy and the way things done properly if you're not sure of it. So what I've done was I just numbered them. First equation as just number 1, second equation as number 2. Now to eliminate the x or y so that we can find one of the values, I've decided to eliminate the x, obviously there. So what I've done was I wanted this to be the same value, the coefficient of x. So 2 and 5, I'm going to times 5 here to make it 10. I'm going to times 2, make it 10 here. So that's what I've done here right now. And I numbered them, the 3 and 4. And what I'm going to do now to eliminate, to get rid of it, I'm going to take away. So when I take away, the sign will change. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so when I do that, I can cancel this. And what I've got here is minus 11y. And then I have a plus 11 equals 0. Because minus 15 plus 26 is 11. Now I'm going to solve it for y value. So what I'm going to do is 11y equals, I moved 11y to the other side so that I can have positive y. Therefore, my y equals 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to substitute this y value, y equals 1, into 1, equation 1. You can see it right there. 2x minus 3y minus 3 equals 0. I number it 1. So I'm going to substitute y equals 1 into there. So that becomes 2x minus 3 times 1 equals 0. And then 2x equals, oh, sorry, I forgot about the minus 3 there. So I'm going to minus 3 equals 0. Yep, that's better. And then if I do the minus 3 minus 3, it's a 6 equals 0. 2x equals 6. Therefore, x equals 3. Okay? So that's not really your answer. Your complete answer should be the point of intersection is, I'm going to write on here, 3 and 1. Okay, so it's always nice to actually answer the question properly, not just leaving the y equals 1, x equals 3. That's not really answering the question. Question says find the point of intersection. So you need to write it in a point form of x coordinates and y coordinates, and that's your answer.